All right, so this is about to get fun. Say hi. Say hi, Devin.
Hey!
Ooh, get off my ear.
Hi, Merry Christmas 2024!
My cousin Samaya.
Merry Christmas!
My cousin Ty. And she make the bomb potatoes, y'all. They bomb. That's my baby cousin. He like, girl.
Say hey.
My baby cousin. Say hi.
Okay, come on.
We finna TikTok. Pray our strength in the Lord. Okay, here we go. Okay, wait, do it again. Wait. Okay, wait.
And then praise
What hand are we doing?
Okay, so we want to be in a line.
Hold on, wait.
Okay.
Oh.
You better get out.
Oh. He looking like he's snitching on me.
Let me get the right?
So then, right hand, but which way does the leg go?
Right leg behind your left leg.
Yo, this the whole praise dance.
Right?
Goes wait.
What's wrong?
They don't love you like I love you. Like wait. They don't love you like I love you. Right. Then we gonna praise them.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna do it with the music. Devin, you ready? Ben, you got it?
I was not paying attention at all.
I got a dance friend, okay?
All right, choreography. How is it? I got love you. What?
One,
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Like, put the tablet down. Why do I get real crazy and
Say, wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Smile. They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Wait, well they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Smile. They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Wait, well they.
I keep forgetting the rub down.
Okay, so that's two.
The rub down. I keep wanting to get. Oh! All right, y'all.
So we going this way first? Say. You want to dance? What was that? That's a
I think I'm starting the wrong way. Oh, that's okay, Whitney, come on, partner. Which way do we start?
It's going left to right.
Okay, so wait.
It's left.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. No, Whitney started right to left. You're off. Everybody else on one. No, I've always done it this way.
Whitney, no, but
We're all going this way.
Oh,
So this way, I can. Okay, so let's see if we can do right to left. Let's see if we can do right to left. Let's see.
Amazing.
My sister in the
And
building.
then the kids can just come in whenever they want to come in.
Yeah, you know they are.
Can you record this, please?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
With the braids.
Right.
You gonna shout like Davey.
Lord, I do that. Wait, I do that. Hold on.
Everybody oughta to my God. 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 Everybody oughta hold on, hold on, hold on. I got to keep on. I got to keep on.
The cameraman having fun over here.
You
Are we
say,
keeping that one? Or we doing? Can we do the other one? Where it is?
No, we doing this.
Stop.
We're not doing that one. That one's going cool. We need this a longer. 66. That was 60 seconds?
yeah, that's not for I think that's the longest one because that's the original sound.
Okay.
Y'all want to do it again?
Yeah, we doing it.
Yeah, we doing it. We have to do the worldly one again.
Yeah, exactly.
Everybody oughta to my God. 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 Everybody oughta hold on, hold on, hold on. I got to keep on. I got to keep on. I got to keep on. Holding on, holding on. They said I wouldn't make it. They said I wouldn't be right here today. But I came to tell you that the reason why I'm still standing, cause I kept on holding. I kept on holding. Even in the winter season, I kept on holding. Even when I couldn't see my way, I kept on holding. For the Bible said, many are the affliction of the righteous, but the Lord said, but the Lord said, but the Lord said,
The Lord is most kind. Thank you, girl. Yeah, I went to this. No, I went to a shop named, you know Marissa?
Oh yeah.
Marissa Johnson. Yeah, like she cool, like she good. But the only thing I didn't like is that she had her kids, and I didn't know that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I didn't know that.
But she ain't paying
Yeah, I didn't know that she was gonna have her kids there, but she was good. It was real ghetto. We had to.
Hold on, why y'all talking about ghetto appointments? Irene's be, hold on, Josiah, y'all come to the light. Come to the light, come to the light.
That GX, DLX.
Yeah, come to the light. Oh, that's real good. Come here, come to the light. Let me, okay, so hold on. I got 2 ghetto clients, right? She's talking about how my appointment be ghetto because I have my kids there. This the one, after, now she be the latest, and then come and talking about something, I gotta give my kids some food. She did you all.
Do she offer you something?
This time she did.
Okay.
She comes to the house and I said, oh, I forgot my kids is there and I gotta feed my kids.
And I be going to
she
sleep.
and she be going to sleep. So talking about so yeah, no.
I'm not that bad.
She got you Irene got you beat. Yes.
I be late.
Yeah, no, Irene got you beat. Yeah, so I like this lighting though, but yeah, no.
Yeah,
These
the
are
lighting is real
my
good.
2 most ghetto, non-on-time clients that I have.
And I'm the bestest one.
I ain't gonna say all that.
No, you're not the best one.
I wasn't on time for that one either.
I'm the bestest client.
No, she not. No.
Actually,
Who the best? I tip. Listen, I tip well.
No,
but
I tip well.
Devin comes bear gifts every time she's in town.
Yeah.
Devin's
That's
always
because
asking me.
you know what time she left for your appointment at 10
It don't
o'clock?
mean nothing. But she was about to. But she was about to be in my flesh.
9:40, she's like, I gotta stop at Starbucks. I said, Devin, it's
And that's okay though.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Listen, when I tip, my tips don't never make no sense.
It
They
don't.
be some different numbers.
She Apple paid me through a tip 1018.
Yeah, and then I tipped her 3. It was 359.
Yeah, so her account could be even,
So my account could be even. Yeah.
but my pockets could be uneven.
Yeah. It was unequally yoked. Okay, and then I'll tell you or catch out, whichever one you prefer. Okay. Okay. Alright, thank you. Bye.
You gotta build your, stop, Elijah. Build your.
You need anything from the store? Anybody need anything from the store?
Stop, Elijah.
Anybody need anything from the store?
No, I'm good.
Where you go home?
This phone is light.
I have a baby on my hand.
Have it.
What's the second part?
I have no idea.
Oh.
What we singing?
Hold to his hand, God's unchanging your hand. I am recording.
Why didn't you shout with baby?
What you say? Oh, yes. This about to be so funny. Whitney's daycare.
The way you remember is
Yeah, this is not how it's supposed to be.
I was about to say something.
I told you the worst part.
Okay, come on, Skylar, I'll hold it up.
And he was basically.
I'm like, Lord, what my nigga? Oh, okay, alright.
I mean, it was one place.
I just signed up.
frosting.
Josiah, do your frosting first on your
Sprinkle it on
cookie.
like that.
That's this.
Yeah, take that.
Huh?
Devin, can you?
Alright, we're about to go. This was the shortest little video ever. Whitney, thank you for being such a great hostess. Even though y'all should be doing too much. No, but for it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, this is super short video, probably a bunch of random clips, but we have fun. And then too, you always want to live in a moment. We ain't got to record everything, and my nose is cute, so. And my birthday is Saturday, so.
It's my birthday.
And her birthday is Friday. We born what? 2 years? 3 years.
I'm gonna be 34.
3 years and 1 day apart. 3 years and 1 day apart. But anyways, okay, that's all. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, Merry Christmas, all that jazz. Jesus is the reason for the season. See y'all later. Bye.